This 2022 Forest River Sabre 36 BHQ is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 42 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, leveling jacks, microwave, air conditioning, slide-out, smoke detector, self-contained, water heater, refrigerator. The floor plan layout of this fifth-wheel RV features kitchen island, loft, mid-bunk, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.